All of you, a very good morning. So take out page number 32 of your marigold, okay? Page number 32 of your marigold. Okay? Page number 32 of your marigold. So we have started our revision class now. Yes or no? Okay. So today we are going to revise a little fish story, page number 38. Page number 38. Okay, a little fish story. We have already revised 2 chapters now. A yellow butterfly and balloon man. The balloon man. We have completed 2 chapters. Okay. So a little fish story. So let's start, students. There are a great many million fish in the seas. That means there are thousands and thousands of fishes in the seas. But this story is about just one of them, and a very small one at that. That means this story is related to a little fish. Now this little fish had everything in the seas to make him contented. That means the little fish got everything in the sea that make it happy. Okay, that made it happy. But he was not happy. He got everything, but he was not happy. You will laugh when I tell you why he was not happy. So the reason is very funny. So let's see what is the reason. He was unhappy because he was so very small. So he was unhappy only because he was so very small. Her size was very small. It is very hard to be such a little mite of a fish. So for him it is very hard to be a little creature. Okay. Yes. Okay. So he would say over and over again. So repeatedly he said that he was very small and that's why he was unhappy. If I were only larger, how much happier I could be? And he said it so many times that I think he believed it. Okay. So only he wished that one day he would be larger and larger. Okay. One day he was swimming along with the rest of his school and thinking, no doubt, how much more the larger fish had to be thankful for than he. So he repeatedly thought that the larger fishes are very thankful than him. When suddenly, with no warning, what happened? When suddenly, with no warning, all the fishes found themselves in the meshes of a great net. Means all the fishes caught in the meshes of a great net. There was much floundering and splashing as the net was drawn out of the water into the sunlight, and just as its hull was being emptied into the boat, the smallest fish in the school wriggled through the mesh and slipped back into the cool, clear water. So what happened when all the larger fishes along with the little one they all caught in the meshes of a great net, then the little fish slipped over from there and then came out in the cool, clear water. And this was happened only because of its small size. Okay. So he swam here and there and everywhere, and some of the fish who knew him well all the rest of his life said that they never again heard him say that he wished to be anything but a little fish. So at the end of the story, what we see that the fish, the little fish, came out very easily from the meshes of a great net only because of its size. And then he freely swam here and there. Okay. So at the beginning of the story, he was very unhappy because he was very small. But at the end of the story, we got that he was very happy now. Okay. So students, let's see the question answer. I am asking you and please reply me. Okay. Number 1. How many fishes are there in the sea? Students, there are million fish in the seas. Means there are thousand fish in the sea. Okay. Number 2. Yes, why was the little fish unhappy? Very good students. The little fish was unhappy because he was so very small. Okay. He was very small. Number 3, what happened to the fish one day? Students, no need students listen, you have to write short and sweet sentences. Okay. So what happened to the fish one day? One day the fish caught in the meshes of a great net. Okay. Number 4, why was the fish thankful to be a little fish? Yes, as he was able to came out from the meshes of a great net only because of its small size. Okay. Okay students, come to page number 40. Come to page number 40. Okay. Look at the pattern and fill in the blanks. Okay. You have to look the pattern and then fill in the blanks. So all of you completed all the exercises. So this is the revision class. Okay. So who have not done, this is a great chance. So please complete your exercises. Okay. So let's start. Number 1, looked. Then we add ed. Okay. So that means that with all the words we have to add ed. Okay. Number 2, picked, picked. Number 3, barked, barked. Number 4, wanted, wanted. Number 5, talked. The pronunciation is talked, talked. Okay. Number 7, wished, wished. Number 8, pulled, pulled. Then number 9, helped, helped. Okay. Okay students, now come. Who is sharing the screen? Ayush, Ayush, don't share the screen, okay? Okay, so number 2, fill in the blanks with the right words from the box. So you have to fill in the blanks with the right words, okay, from the box. Number 1, a glass of water, a glass of water. Number 2, a box of matches, a sheet of paper, a bunch of flowers, a herd of cows, a pack of wolves, a pack of wolves. Okay, students, come to page number 41. Page number 41. So, singing or crying. Let's see. Song time. Mahesh sings a little song. Venkatesh looks at him. Why are you crying? Mahesh, he asks. Mahesh says, I am not crying, I am singing an English song. So actually Mahesh was singing an English song, and it seems that he was singing, he was not singing, he was crying. Okay. So let's do the exercise. Choose the right word. Number 1, Mahesh sings a dash. Little song. Number 2, Venkatesh dash at him. Looks. Number 3, Venkatesh thinks Mahesh is dash. Crying. Number 4, Mahesh is dash a song. Singing. Number 5, the song is in dash. English. Okay. So students, we have completed a little fish story exercises now and the chapter. Have you any doubt? Students, have you any doubt? Yes or no? No, you have no doubt. You don't have any doubt? Okay. So, in the next class, we will revise sea song. Okay. Sea song. Okay, students. Bye.